The graph of y equals x squared plus 2x is translated 5 units to the left. Find the equation of the resulting graph in the form y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay, so we're going to move it 5 to the left. This is our original function. We'll call this f of x. We'll say that f of x is equals to x squared plus 2x. And 5 left means that our new graph, we'll call this g of x, that's the new graph, is equals to f of x plus 5. So this here means 5 left. So this is going to be x plus 5 squared plus 2x plus 5. Okay, so that's our new graph, and all we have to do is to get into this form here is to expand it out. It's going to be x squared plus 10x plus 25, and we have here plus 2x plus 10. X squared, we're going to gather the x's, plus 12x plus 35. So as you can see here, this is the final answer. Our a value is 1, our b value is 12, and our c value is 35.